So this is all the stuff you need to do this. Milwaukee, good tools. All right, let's go outside and check it out. We're gonna do that next.
Ball, maybe a half a battery a ball.
A half a battery a call, so they last probably, what, 40 minutes?
It depends on how much you use it. It's got two settings here, so you can have it on the small suction, or you can have it on the harder suction.
So you get less and then more,
Yep.
and that's off.
Yep.
And then you just squeeze it to pull it out?
Yep.
I don't know, it doesn't come out.
Yeah, you gotta squeeze it on the side.
Oh, on the sides. Oh, I see, like
Outside.
that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I still got to get a good grip on it. Jesus, doesn't it?
You gotta give her the old mustard. The old mustard gas.
Jeez. And that's the Milwaukee. And then you got a couple little tools with it.
Yeah, those I was using for.
All right, so this is the battery that goes in there. And you can see it's super small. And it slides in. And then to get it out, you got to squeeze the sides here. See those little catches? That's what catches on the inside of that. And that's it right there. That's all you need for that small shop vac. Bam. All right, so this is your Milwaukee shop vac.
Yep.
And man, that's nice looking.
I like the smaller guy. I also have the bigger model, but
And it just basically, you just hit the power button there and it starts sucking, huh?
Yep.
Does it have enough to get down in there?
Yeah. It uses the smaller batteries, which is good sometimes.
It's like a 18 volt or?
I'm not sure what these are. These might be the 12s.
Okay, so if I hold it like that,
Yeah,
you think you can get down in there?
Let's see. I brought all my batteries.
Wow, look how small the battery is.
Yep.
Dude, let's see how you put it in there. Where's it go? Right there, that's it? You just squeeze it, push that one in. Nice. Damn it, that's a nice system.
Some guys don't like the smaller batteries. I feel like they're good for just going in tight attics and stuff like that.
Yeah, because you need small stuff.
Exactly.
All right, let's do it. Okay, watch that blade's right on your shoulder there.
Alright. Crappy.
Oh yeah, look inside of there. That does not look yucky. That looks gross. Well, that's a different battery, huh?
Yeah, so this is the big boy.
This is the real sucker.
This is what I use for those jobs where the M12 ain't gonna cut it.
Okay, so I just gotta hold. What am I gonna do over here?
I'm
gonna hold this.
Yep, I'm gonna switch this battery out and then I'm gonna hit this vac.
All right, so you're switching out the battery. That's a pretty simple way to go in.
Yep.
Just push it in.
Now you hit that.
Okay.
I'm gonna listen for some suction.
All right, so we're listening for suction.
So this is gonna tell me whether or not your line is clogged.
So it's kind of sucking. What do you think?
Crap getting sucked out right now. But you put your finger over it or something, you can feel that.
Yeah, it's got some suction there.
Yep. So then we hit it with a little of this.
Oh yeah.
That kind of breaks some stuff up a little bit. And I let it suds up in there.
You need one of those, I guess not. You got that down.
You can kind of hear how it starts to get a little soaky in there. You can hear the suds. We'll see in a second. But
What do you think?
that's just coating the line. I mean, it sounds good. It's clear.
Feels good?
Yep. So, just gonna let it have it.
So you give it like a whole gallon of that, huh?
This is just water. I'm a low liability guy. No drain saw over here. Some guys that put a couple drain saw guys.
Uh-huh. It could eat the PVC, right?
Well, you got animals running around, you got plants.
Oh, that's right. They kill them.
Also, if your line set's setting out there close to the, some people got their drain where it's not coming out the front of the house, it's coming right on the copper line set out back. Pour that drain saw on there, it's going to eat it all up, and you wind up with a leak. I use water because zero liability.
Oh, that's good. Seems like it's sucking pretty good.
Now we come out here, you see the trap is not what it looked like before.
Yep. And that's it. Bam.
And we see what we got. Let's see how.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Some treasures here.
And that's just basically. Oh, do we see any slime coming out of there? I mean, you can see the slime right here on the ground. Look at, oh geez, look at that. That's gross.
There's a bunch of stuff in there, so we got all that out.
All right, that's good. Woo! All right, what's next?
So now